Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with, are all ice makers created equally? And the answer to that is no, they're really not. You have basically two different versions of ice makers. You have the old school ice maker, which are like this one, which are on the side-by-sides, that have the really large trays that hold a lot of ice, okay? Well, these days, they have come up with a design, it's called a French door that has an ice maker in the actual refrigeration unit, okay? And this is basically what you're looking at, okay? Now, let me tell you, let's do a little comparison shopping here, okay? We have two completely different ice maker bins, okay? This is the old style. This holds a lot of ice. This one doesn't hold nearly as much ice, okay? So if you're like me and I use maybe 5 or 6 cups of ice a month and I don't use ice for a whole lot, the ice maker that fits in my refrigerator, like this one, okay, does a wonderful job, okay? It keeps me in ice. Now, if I've got a family of 2 or 3 kids and my wife and I, we put ice in everything and we basically use ice all the time, this ice maker is not going to be able to keep up with us. This ice maker, on the other hand, is going to be able to keep up with us and make sure we have ice at all times. So when we do have that party, these old school in-freezer ice makers do a much better job of providing ice. If you do decide you want a French door instead, think of the option of an ice maker in the freezer also. They do make adapters that you can actually put an ice maker in the freezer. And basically, it's gonna go down here and it's gonna be an ice maker in the freezer, which has a normal size bin, which will actually allow you to make enough ice for that party you're going to have at your house. Because if you're watching football and you like a nice cold beverage like myself, you want ice, okay? Now, if you don't mind it, then no, it's not necessary. But to be honest with you, these in-fridge ice makers, okay, do work well. They've got a very good, what's called a recovery rate, so they make ice faster than this does, but doesn't make as many cubes at every turn. So where this is making 6 to 12 cubes or 10 to 12 cubes on a turn, this is making 4 to 6 cubes on a turn. So it makes more, but it doesn't make, so over the time frame of making what this would take to do 12 cubes of ice, this has got to work at least twice, which generally they're not quite that fast. And plus they stop faster because there's not as much to hold, okay? So are all ice makers created equally? No. Look at your concerns, look at your needs, and determine, do I like a lot of ice or do I like a little bit of ice? Don't forget to tune into this, subscribe to this channel and come back and we will have more good information for you later. Have a wonderful day.